Hi, it's Mark Farmer with Mark Farmer Photography, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Sony A7 for Canon shooters. Now, if you didn't start out with a Sony like me, I am an avid Canon shooter, and I'm still a Canon shooter, but I had one of my Canons go down, and I needed to get it repaired, and when I put that up against how much it was going to cost me to get like the Sony A7 III, actually it was really close. So I went ahead and decided to give the mirrorless Sony A7 camera a try, and so far I've been pretty impressed with it. Now, the fact that I shoot Canon means that I've got a lot of lenses that are set up for Canon, such as my Tamron lenses and of course my Canon lenses. So I needed to find an adapter that I could use with my Sony that would work, so I ended up going with a megabones adapter. Megabones adapter, what I like about it is the fact that I can actually take this camera and I could take the mount off of it and I can put it on my computer and I can update the software in it. So as new lenses become available, these updates will go out there so they'll work with just about any lens you get. Right now what I have mounted on here is a Tamron lens. Now the one thing that you got to know if you use a megabones adapter is basically there's a little tiny button that is right here that you've got to hold on whenever you mount this, and you have to do it with the power on your Sony camera. And I'm going to illustrate it for you guys right here. If you look here, you'll see where there is a red light. Okay, so with this red light, basically you're only going to get center focus with the camera. And one of the things I do like about the Sony A7 III is the fact that it's got eye detect. So to be able to use that, what you do is unmount the lens just a slight bit and then hold this little button in that's located right here. Hold that button in and then lock it in place. When you do so, you're going to see a little blue light come on right here. And when you do that, if you guys can see this, you'll see where the eye detect works fantastic at any angle during the entire width of my lens. You can see where that eye focus is working. So what I can tell you about the megabones is it's been working fine for me so far, and I'll give any updates I have if it happens to go south. Other than that, this is Mark Farmer at Mark Farmer Photography, and I will talk to you later. Take care.